name is William Gabriel, and this is a called simulated refugee camp, and I mostly I built this shelter this morning around 7 in the morning when the weather was still perfect. Actually, they give you mostly 2 blankets. So basically, one blanket you put on the floor, and the other one so becomes like your mattress, and the other one is for covering when you sleep. So this is what happened in the refugee camp until you're able to get some money. If you're lucky, you get able to get some job locally, then you can build a better shelter, or you can mobilize support from the community and get a better shelter. But if you have nothing, you have no support, you have no income at all, you'll end up living in such conditions. The living conditions in the camp were very abysmal, so very tough. There is nothing much to do in the camp. You wake up in the morning, everything is just the same. You wake up with the stress and you don't know what to do. And I consider myself very lucky to have come out in 2 years. When I came to the camp, I met some people who are there, and until today, as I speak, they're still in that camp. So as I lived in that refugee camp, I was so hopeless until finally a Canadian agency came to the camp called WUSC, abbreviated the World University Services of Canada. They came to the camp and they were looking for students who finished high school or some colleges and could not continue due to the conditions that led them flee from their home countries. So I applied for that process to come to Canada to go to university, and they have a project called the Refugee program where they bring refugee students straight from camp to campus. So I went through that process. We did the TOEFL English studies, we had to write a research, and I passed all that, and I went to Vancouver straight. I went to SFU, Simon Fraser University, where I finished my BA in political science studies, and then I moved to Calgary. I worked a bit in Calgary, then I moved to Red Deer, where I'm working right now. And yeah, I keep going with my school as well. So right now I'm doing my master's degree in conflict resolution.